Hi guys. Alright, I want to share with you my go-to every single day foundation routine. It's so easy. I went back to RMS because it's a brand that I personally love, and it's one of the only makeup brands. And I made a reel on this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know the deal, but if you don't, I'm gonna give you the spiel on YouTube. I went back to RMS because it's one of my favorite brands, one of my favorite clean beauty brands, and it matches me like spot on. You don't know how hard it is for me to find something that actually matches me where I don't have to like mix a ton of stuff. So it's 2 products that I've been doing every day, and I promise you, like, I swear, everybody's like, oh my god, what's on your skin? Are you wearing makeup? You just have good skin. And you know, it's 2 things. It's the Un Coverup in 33. I'm gonna show you mine because I stipple my brush in here, so it's not the prettiest because I've been using it, but this is the Un Coverup in shade 33, and the best bronzer ever. This is Buruti Bronzer. I love it. It does not look pretty in the container, I know, but it is the most beautiful bronzer in the world to me, and it works on a lot of skin tones. I'm just gonna use this. This is from Typology. It is the Lipid Replenishing Balm. It's very good. If you don't know Typology, it's a French beauty brand. It's amazing. They did send me this. I'm an affiliate with them. I love their brand. It's not only beautiful, but very skincare, science focused, clean ingredients, everything's made in France. It's just amazing. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this on my skin. My skin's a little on the dry side. Well, actually no, it's always on the dry side. It's a little drier than usual. So definitely have to prep my skin with this. Though if I don't, I still get a nice like glow with this. So this is the Un Coverup. It's a concealer, it's a foundation, it's whatever the hell you want it to be. I use it for both. Again, I am shade 33. That's the color. That's shade 33. It's beautiful. Buruti Bronzer. This is what it looks like. You're probably looking at it and being like, Anna, what the hell is so special about that? And then when I swatch, you're gonna be like, Anna, what the hell is so special about that? That's what it looks like. And then here, it like, I don't know, it's just so pretty, and it pulls some color on me. You'll see when I put it on. But those are the colors. With the Un Coverup, depending on how much coverage I want, I will go in with a brush. I'll use my RMS one. I got this for free a couple of years ago when I ordered stuff, and it was like a gift with purchase, and I started playing with it again, and I'm like, okay, I do like it. So this is the brush 30F. It looks like a little finger. Also, have you guys been stuck watching Rosemary Swift, the creator of the RMS brand, on TikTok or Instagram? She goes over everything. She actually explains things. She puts it on. She's like excited for her brand. I love it. So what I do is if I want fuller coverage, I'll take this, I'll get it, and I'll just start applying it. Now this does have coconut oil in it, so if you're sensitive to it, I would maybe get like a sample at a store. So you can do it that way. You can do it with your finger. See how that disappears into my skin? Amazing. The other thing I like to do is get an oil that you like, a dry oil, just a little bit. I'm going to use this one from Nukes. I'm just going to drop a teeny bit. The RMS brand does have a beauty oil. I never got it. I have so many oils here. I'm like, let me use what I have, but by all means, if you want to try it, go for it. So it gets like that. And if I swirl the compact, now remember how it looked here? If I swirl the jar, now it's almost like a tinted moisturizer, and it just glides on the skin. Now you could get a lighter color for under the eyes. I'm probably gonna get a lighter color. I used to always do 22 under the eyes and then 33 on the face, but lately I've been getting away with putting it under my eyes, and it's not that big of a deal. But see how it just moves so much easier across the skin. Get my nose. I'm always red around my nose. God, I've been just loving to use this. It's just so much easier. I can throw it in my bag. If I need to do my makeup fast, like, just throw my fingers in there. Again, this is my personal one, so I could do that. And if I want to just take it across the lid real quick, just to kind of tone down anything, like that's it, I'm done. You know what I mean? And that obviously would have been done faster if I wasn't talking, but just wanted to show you guys. And what I like is, even though my nose is flaky and dry, I can see that. It doesn't irritate my skin, and alright, on those areas I really should have just gone like this and pat it on. So now I'm going to take the same, this is the 33, I'm going to take it, I'm going to look at you, and I'm just going to pop it underneath my eyes. So you get like, I would say this is a good medium coverage. You could probably build it to just under full coverage. I like to sheer it down and get sort of like a sheer coverage. And that's what I like about it, is that I can manipulate the coverage. Do I want sheer? Do I want full coverage? I really like it. But see, like, I can get away with that. I don't need to do all that craziness. Sometimes I want to do the craziness. But how much, like, instantly better does my face look? Freaking love this. Okay, now this guy, and this guy right here, I just take it, same brush, because, you know, I don't know, I like it, and I'll kind of just pat on my forehead. Like, it just pulls this really beautiful color, and it works. It works so nice with my skin tone. Like, sometimes I'll kind of stop there. If I want to put blush, I will, but I don't think I need it, to be honest. Boom, that's it. Throw some mascara on, call it a day. I could go heavier on the bronzer, actually. For some reason on the camera, on my viewfinder, it looks a little bit lighter on my forehead, but I promise you in person it doesn't look like that. And what you could do too is you can take this, throw it on the lids, boom, done. Like 2 products, face is done. It seriously can't get any easier than that. So this has been like my jam, my go-to. I'm obsessed with it. Yeah. Have you guys tried RMS? Is there anything that I need to try? You guys give me a suggestion, because I am down to try more of this. Well, I've tried it already and I love it. I'm just saying I want to explore the brand. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys soon.